Boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and yep, it feels good to be back. So today we have a lot on the menu. I think we're going to be doing some brakes on some Suzuki Swift. We're going to be attempting to do my brother's taillights. So we got like a red vinyl overlay to put over the taillights to make it more red and look 100 times way better. And we're going to be checking out Taillight's car because there's a minor leak with the coolant. So we're going to jack up the car and suss the problem. Alright, so there it is guys. The Swift brakes. Shit. Hey, if I got this powerful ass gun, man. Fucking. Look at this shit, man.
Oh, don't feed me.
Aye.
Retake.
Bye. Yeah, but anyways, I got this fucking strong ass gun. Look. Wait, look at that twist, mate. Shit.
You're just weak.
Alright. So, today we are going with the Bendix brakes. Down. Sponsored by Super Cheap. Nah, psych. I wish.
Autobahn.
Autobahn?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Super cheap didn't stop, bro.
Oh, yeah. Sponsored by Autobahn, I mean. Thank you, Autobahn. Repco. Thank you, Repco. Very nice.
Hey, follow down right here. Follow. Right here, follow, you know?
Yeah.
Somewhere right here.
Alright guys, so the Suzuki Swift brake calipers are now done, or I've been brake pad change, and now we're gonna move on to the WRX tail lights. Hey, give us a floss! Give us a floss! Fuck! So this is what we're gonna be doing for the WRX. Is as you can see how the tail lights are white and clear. Like I said before, we're just going to be laying the red vinyl over it. I think it covers here and here, I'm pretty sure. Alright guys, so here it is. His vinyl. Oh shit. Oh shit, mate.
You gotta tap it on the top.
Oh, here it is, here it is. Ready? Ready? You guys ready? Oh shit. Shit, mate. Shit, mate. Look at that. That goes like this. Yeah, good like that. And then this one, obviously, because what's left will be right here. Right here. Yes, mate. Get it right. So let's get started. We just watched the power lights, and now we're gonna move the car in, and we're gonna start it. Alright guys, so we finally done. Oh, looks sick. Now we're just gonna plug it in, huh? Look at that guys, 100 times. Way better. Damn. Anouk's just finishing up the last bits. Damn. Big boy Anouk's. Shit. Talk us through Anouk's.
Nah.
Fucking animal.
Tomorrow.
Boom, what is up guys? New day today, and I know I didn't really record much yesterday, so I'll try and record more today and maybe drag it on, but we'll see. So we got a lot on the menu today again. We got to try and fix Taillight's car in time. He's got work later today and he needs the car done. So basically, like I said earlier, he's got some coolant issues leaking. So we're going to try and fix that, figure out what's wrong, and then get the car back on the road. And we're going to be doing something to Man's car. He goes ahead with it. What is it, Man?
I'm gonna be taking my plastic dip off because I'm maybe selling stock wheels.
What is it? Stock wheels?
Yeah. Maybe selling it.
Oh, selling it. I thought he meant buy stock wheels, but yeah. Man's gonna sell his stock wheels, and you know what that means then, yeah? Stay tuned, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we just got back home, or to the ZPG headquarters, and now we're gonna start on Man's plaster dip removal. So basically we're just gonna heat it up with the heat gun so it's easier, and then we're gonna peel it off. Oh yeah guys, I also forgot to mention, on this day today, right now, January the 7th, is when ZPG officially opened up. So this is when I uploaded the first 2 videos and when I opened up the YouTube account. So today is 1 year's yeet. Wow, 1 year already passed, huh? Alright, so we just took off the plaster dip on Man's car, as you saw, which, yeah, I forgot to show you guys, which I'll show you guys after I pull in Taillight's car. I know this vlog is all over the place, you know, first time getting back, and I haven't really done a raw vlog in like, what, 2 months, a month? So yeah, I'm still getting used to it and trying to get back into the game. So I'll pull the car in, and then I'll show you guys Man's rims. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Ready? Go. Watch out, yeah? Yes. Watch out. Keep going. What? Oh shit. I'm the cameraman and I'm shooting myself. Yeah.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Anniversary, baby!
What the fuck? Oh, shit. What the fuck? Oh, shit.
Gotta move it. Hey, we stay with the jet. Fuck! Now relax, bro. That's fine. Relax.
Explain yourself, CBG. It didn't go up. No!
So what happened was, that's a shit ass ramp. It slid. Went underneath the car.
No. Oh, what happened?
Like you went like swoop.
Bro, you're like full skidded. Bro, I said, did it go up? Wait, did it go up? I went too fast. Oh shit, I
didn't see the record.
I was right here, yeah. I was like, bro, is this car gonna hit me, bro? Fuck.
Nah, don't worry. Just pass it.
Wait, so what happened? You didn't jump the whole thing? Or I drove too fast? It went up. Or did I drove too fast?
I think the wheel spun this back.
Yeah, it spun it back.
It went whoop. And let's just go with the jacking in the middle.
Why didn't you jack and start? You went like the whole thing went.
We avoided the best one in case you fucking imagine if we ran into a fucking wall, bro.
I ran into me as well.
We would have got the biggest.
I was right here, bro. I was like, Ricky, what are you doing, bro? So I shoot down from the start.
This would have been better because you know how to do my car, bro. Straight out there.
Fuck.
Look at that shit,
Probably because this one's front wheel drive.
Shit. Bro, cars are front wheel drive.
Man, how you gonna fix that shit, bro?
I be like, Rick, you gotta pull more shifts. Nice, bro. Like,
Cool boys.
Not the science kit, just the protector.
ZPG special. ZPG special.
it's like we didn't learn anything for the whole year.
Or if it was, I went in, the car went, boom, everyone was like this, everyone was like, oh. Yeah, oh yeah, everyone was like this, everyone was like,
But I felt like it skipped everything.
boom, bro, it went like the whole thing, it went up like this.
Yeah.
And then that's like, and the thing just slid back. Fuck, bro, I shot myself. I was like right in the middle, right there, bro. I was like, what the
Yeah, that
fuck?
shit's kind of cool, cause like, yeah, how's that supposed to stand?
Alright, guys, so things have calmed down here. I fucked up
Still
bad.
not calmed down. You fucked up my car. Oh, it was a prank?
Yeah.
So it's not there anymore?
Yeah, he's not there anymore.
Let me see.
It's not there anymore. It's just a prank, bro.
What the fuck is this then?
Shit.
Shit. So this is we're trying to find out the leak still.
We assume it's from somewhere there.
We just switched to something like that.
What Fabian Delay did was take out the rocket cover and start dismantling the stuff.
Where's that light?
But the problem was it was leaking here.
That thing like you used for
Yeah.
the thingy before.
So solid dogs, it was leaking here, yeah. So like other way, this is leaking.
Look at the leak. Yeah, I don't know what's actually going on.
your
But
finger.
yeah. So what we're gonna do now is try and run the car a bit and then see if it leaks. Cause we unbolted some stuff and we couldn't really get to it and we don't know, like there's too much source leaks. So we're gonna start the car and see if anywhere leaks. But yeah, while the car's running, we'll go quickly check out Man's car with the new silver rim or with the unplastered rims. So there it is, guys. Man's rims back to silver, back to stock. Shit. Damn. What do you guys reckon? Black or silver?
More local silver.
Hey,
The guy said hopefully end of this week.
shit, more low? So what's that mean? You buy more parts?
We got bags, man. What do you mean?
Bagged man? Bagged man?
Hopefully, just eliminate this wheel gap.
Shit. Yeet, guys, just putting some Sprite in the car. Shit, gonna kill all the GDRs now, eh?
We need the fizziness, yeah?
Nah, he didn't even go a little bit over.
Shit.
Why now we wait for it to leak out now?
But with Sprite in the car, you're gonna chop all the GDRs, bro.
Hey, like I told you guys, one day I chopped an R34. And I'm not gonna name anyone, alright, just him. But once we get it up, because like if they offer me, you know, to get new turbo, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna chop more R34s, just him. What?
Oh shit, damn. You like chopping the same 34s,
Even
man.
me and mud.
You say you're looking
Shit.
for GTR. Well, he's boosted though. He's boosted.
Alright.
So what's the plan now?
So right now we're gonna head to what's it called? Peerless,
Peerless,
Limbrook.
yeah.
Peerless Automotives. Gonna check it out because this is out of our jurisdiction. That's the jurisdiction. Sound like a cool word. Anyways, so one day we're gonna learn how to do this all, but
For
I
now,
got work tomorrow.
yeah, we leave it to professionals.
I got work tomorrow.
So yeet.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, so end of the video right here. Hopefully you guys can hear me properly because I don't have my mic on, so it might sound a bit dodgy. But anyways, yeah, end of the video, and this is what you've probably been waiting for, like for me to explain what happened with Taillight's car and the ramp. So looking back at the footage, you can see that the ramps got sucked in by the front wheels, and then after that there was only one way to go, which was for the car to drop, and it had to land on the rails. But yeah, I'm not too sure if it was my fault or the ramp's fault. As you saw in the footage, it might have been my fault, as I think I didn't let the car fully stop before going again. As you saw, it rolled back and then accelerated, so maybe that caused the wheel to spin faster. And I'm pretty sure maybe because the car is a front wheel drive, so it would have sucked the ramps in, so you know. And yeah, the front wheels would have relied on the ramp, so you know there was no traction. The only thing the front wheels could spin on was the ramp, and you know that wasn't stable, so maybe that's why it got sucked in. So we're lucky that nothing was damaged underneath. Like we look at the bars underneath, everything was still good. The only thing that was damaged was like a plastic part on the driver's side that covers like the side skirt. So,
DJ get a new car soon.
hey, new car, hey, say G, Taillight get a new car. Stay tuned, stay alert, huh? Oh yeah, and also with Taillight's car, we took it to the mechanics and they figured out that it was a water pump and radiator issue. So we're gonna get them to fix that, and yeah man, it's gonna cost a lot. I'm not gonna name the price, but I'm just gonna say it's over 1.5k. Damn, man, we need to learn how to fix that shit. Yeah? Could have been like $800 or something. Fuck. But yeah, so Taillight's car is gonna take it to the mechanics. They're gonna fix it, and yeah. Also, the tail lights on my brother's WRX went well. It's looking 100 times way better, and it's looking sick. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.